Holding multi-currency account internationally makes it easier for an entrepreneur to do business. Our customers are successful because the world's best entrepreneurs choose Payoneer to manage their financial operations.
Hello, I'm John Janarone, Editor-in-Chief of IPO Edge. Very happy to be back here at the New York Stock Exchange. Today I'm here with John Caplan, who is the CEO of Payoneer. John, welcome to the program.
It's great to be here. Thank you for having me.
So John, for those who are not familiar with your business, can you tell us a little bit about it?
Sure. Payoneer solves a really important problem, which is entrepreneurs around the globe struggle to participate in the global financial system. The analog banking system was built for the Fortune 1000 companies,
right.
But most emerging market entrepreneurs need a Payoneer account to receive all of their accounts receivable and manage their international accounts payable. We are a fast-growing, profitable business with a really big TAM in front of us. We see a lot of opportunity ahead.
Gotcha. Now, John, you took the helm about 18 months ago. Prior to that, you were at Alibaba. Can you tell us about your vision once you came on board and how things are shaking out?
So working at Alibaba was an extraordinary learning experience for me. And I had a front row seat at the Ant Financial innovation.
Yeah.
And when I saw the Payoneer assets, global licenses, global brand, global bank relationships, the vision for the company is to build the full financial stack, all the financial tools a cross-border business needs. And it's a really interesting opportunity because the large banks, HSBC, Standard Chartered, Citibank, these great companies, really provide that kind of cross-border support for the Fortune 1000. And the local banks in regions around the globe provide local services. But there's this gap in the market that Payoneer can solve, which is multi-currency accounts for cross-border businesses, 100% of the AR and the AP for those companies. There's about $80 billion in the trailing 12 months flowing into Payoneer accounts. Our customers are in Vietnam, Argentina, China, Morocco, Turkey, Dubai, around the globe. The entrepreneurs of the globe choose Payoneer accounts to operate their business.
Really interesting stuff. Now, let's talk about M&A. What's your strategy on that front? What kind of deals you've been doing lately, and are there more to come?
Sure. We bought 3 businesses in the last 18 months.
Wow.
A data business in Israel, a financial service provider in China, and we announced in August that we acquired a workforce management platform based in Singapore to help our customers manage all their payroll needs for their cross-border employees and contractors. Looking ahead, we'll continue to buy products that we can cross-sell to our existing 2 million customers. We have a global cohort of customers that want more financial products from Payoneer. And I just this morning was meeting with 3 different acquisition targets. We are lining them up.
Gotcha. Let's talk about your different customer segments. Which of those are the most exciting right now? Can we dig into them a bit?
Sure. So we segment our customers by size, geography, and use case.
Yeah.
So we are in 190 countries.
Wow.
We serve goods exporters and services exporters. So a BPO in the Philippines uses Payoneer. An iPhone case distributor from China uses Payoneer. A software development firm in Argentina uses Payoneer to receive their international AR and manage their international AP. So from a segment standpoint, we're really focused on tier 1 countries, China, Argentina, India, Turkey, where we're seeing really extraordinary growth. Then in terms of size, the larger customers are more valuable to us. We've seen our ARPU, our revenue per customer for our big customers, climb and climb and climb because we're adding bigger customers and cross-selling more products to them.
Gotcha. Let's talk about your people. How do you invest in talent?
So we are 2,200 employees around the globe,
wow.
Offices in 28 countries. We are diverse. Over 50% of our employees are women. Our leadership team is equally balanced, male and female. We have leaders in our team in Israel, leaders here in New York. We are global, diverse, creative about solving problems for entrepreneurs.
Now, John, correct me if I'm wrong. A lot of the customers that you're working with, these companies can tend to struggle. Some of them, struggle to stay afloat. Is the service you're providing really helping them, keep the businesses alive?
Yeah. So we don't make your iPhone case. We make it possible for you to get paid.
Yeah.
We don't do the software engineering you sell to people. We make it so you can get paid. If your products and services don't meet the needs of the market, there's nothing Payoneer is going to do that drives your success. But what we do is make it easier so you don't have to be distracted by the time it takes to set up bank accounts around the world, by the expense of managing your payments around the globe, and frankly, the distraction of being worried about where your money is at any given point. Holding multi-currency account internationally makes it easier for an entrepreneur to do business. Our customers are successful because the world's best entrepreneurs choose Payoneer to manage their financial operations.
All right, John, last question. What is your vision for, say, 5 years down the road? Where is Payoneer going to be?
Yeah, I really think, you can look at a company like Revolut and what Revolut's done in Europe. You can look at Nubank and what Nubank has done in Brazil. The innovators in the sort of financial services landscape are providing both payments capability and software capability to a cohort of customers that have been, I think, largely left behind by the analog banks, and we're stepping into that space.
All right, John, we're going to leave it there. This has been really terrific. This has been John Caplan, who's the CEO of Payoneer. I'm John Janarone, editor-in-chief of IPO Edge, signing off from the New York Stock Exchange.